In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Swift wire with Wise. By the end, you'll feel confident sending a Swift transfer right from the Wise mobile app with clear expectations on what to tap and what details you'll need along the way. Start by opening the Wise app on your mobile. From the home screen, tap Send. This takes you into the payment flow. When the app asks where you're sending to, choose United States. Selecting the correct destination ensures Wise shows the right fields and routes the transfer through the Swift network as needed. Next, enter the amount you want to send. You'll see an estimate of fees and the exchange rate if you're converting from another currency. Take a moment to review this so you know exactly what will arrive on the other end. Now, add the person or business you're paying. Tap Add Recipient. If the app prompts you again, tap Add Recipient one more time to proceed. When Wise asks how you want to pay them, choose Bank Details. Then choose someone else since this transfer is going to another person or entity rather than yourself. Enter the recipient's email. This is used for notifications and can help with status updates. Make sure it's accurate, but don't worry, you're not sharing any sensitive information here beyond a contact address. When you're asked to pick the type of bank details, select Swift. This tells Wise to route the payment through the international Swift network, which is commonly used for cross-border transfers. Now fill in the recipient's full name exactly as it appears on their bank account. Consistency matters to avoid delays. Enter the routing number and then the account number with care. Double check the digits. One small typo can cause the transfer to bounce back or land in the wrong place. If you're copying and pasting, confirm there are no extra spaces. Choose the correct account type such as checking or savings. This helps the receiving bank post the funds correctly. Then select the country for the account. In this case, ensure it reflects the United States so the details align with the routing system you just entered. When everything looks good, tap Continue. Wise will show you a summary of the transfer, including timing estimates and fees, before you proceed further. If anything looks off, you can go back and edit. Otherwise, you're ready to move forward. That's all there is to it. Clear, accurate details, and a few quick taps are all you need to send a Swift wire with Wise from your phone.